Hello everybody, welcome back to FX Street. Today we're going to be taking a look at the layer 2 tokens and what you can expect from them and the coins that you need to watch. Right, so let's take a look at, so I've already used this, my screener to screen out market segments as layer 2, and then I've reduced the market cap from 1 billion to 500 million. Right, so these are the coins that show up. Let's take a look at OMG, LPT, and LRC, the three tokens. None of the tokens have really good volume. The volume has been decreasing for the past 24 hours and also the week. Only the daily active addresses for LPT and OMG has increased, but not by a lot. So there's nothing interesting in terms of on-chain metrics here, except for this exchange inflow, which has been negative, which means that the exchange investors are moving their tokens out from the exchanges into cold wallets, which is a good sign, right? So let's take a look at the first coin, which is LPT, live peer. So it's bounced off of the support level here at 27.2, but on top of that, it has also breached this declining trend line here, right? Kind of reminds me a lot of Link. Yeah, Link is still stuck in this downtrend, and it's trying to break the declining downtrend, right? So what do I expect from LPT is right now it's getting rejected at this resistance level here at 32 after bouncing off this level here. So currently you can see that it's trading in a range. So assuming we do not get a move above 32, then you can expect live peer token to come down, trace down to this 22 level here and then go higher, right? So if this remains range bound, the trading plan is pretty simple here: short the resistance, long the support, right? But I doubt this is going to happen, considering I'm a little bullish on Bitcoin. I believe there is a good chance for LP to flip this resistance level into support level at 32, in which case you can expect the price to head back to this resistance level at $45. You could probably take a little bit of profits off at 38, right? But the short to mid-term target is $45. Right, from the current position, this is a good 58% upswing, right? But the criteria for this upswing is dependent on how LPT react to this 32 resistance level here. A flip and flip it to a support level, good. You're good for this long trade. If not, then you can look at the price to head back down to $22. So that pretty much sums up the analysis for LPT or live peer. Let's take a look at OMG. Right, for now, I have this range that I drew, I'm not sure when. This range seems to be holding up pretty good. Actually, this is the range, right? So from the range high, tried to move down. Buyers came in, moved above the range high here. And now we're back down to this range low. As you can see here, if I use these indicators here. Right, so as you can see here, things are looking pretty good here for OMG from a 3-day time frame. The awesome oscillator is flipping into the positive region, which indicates that the momentum is increasing. And to add more credence to this, the price is back again at this level here, which is the range low. And as you can see, the last time the price was around this level here, OMG rallied 490%. And right now we're getting another one of these flips. We've already flipped it, right? So from the flip, right, OMG rallied 191%, right? But if we're being conservative, right, you can expect OMG to rally at least 80%, which is to retest the 50% retracement level here at $10. Right, beyond this, again, there's going to be a lot of consolidation, mainly due to the resistance levels present here, right? So you could get blocked at 13.75 before reaching $18, right? To sum it up, OMG is looking pretty good. You can expect anywhere between 78, 80% to 137% upswing in the coming days. As for the downside, if we do get rejected here at $5.96, then yep, so if we do get rejected here at this 5.9 level here, then we can expect the price to retrace down to 4.98 and form some sort of a base before attempting to move higher. I don't see a lot of downside here for OMG. I see an 80% upswing to 10.8, and beyond that, you can also expect the price higher up to 13.7. Right, let's take a look at the next layer token, which is LRC. Right, LRC, the amazing rally that took place here due to the integration by GME seems to have been completely undone, not completely. Right, so it's back to the support level here, and since then it is rallied quite a bit, right? Let's look at it from a 4 time frame because I feel there's a lot of inefficient moves present here. Right, so this move, by marking this fair value gap here and inefficiency, I'm not saying the price is going to come down here and fill this gap here, but this is something that you have to keep in mind and execute it when the time comes. Right, for now, I believe it is setting up a triple tap setup, forms a high, deviate above the high, and wait for the price, go back, form another high, and then come back lower. Right, and if you take into account this retest here, it's already formed a triple tap setup. But all you have to do is wait for the price to come back down here. And if the buyers decide to make a comeback at 1.03, there's a good chance price will bracket in this region here, extending from 1.23 to 1.02. Right, but a daily candle close below 1.03 could see LRC slide down, fill the fair value gap at 0.82. Roughly 0.84, 0.82, and form a base around here again before moving higher. Assuming the triple tap setup doesn't play out and the price manages to keep moving higher above 1.23, then as you can see here, the price is already extremely close to this resistance level at 1.46. Right, assuming we get a flip of this level here at 1.23, then you are looking at an 18 to 20% upswing for LRC. The downside is more prominent and is something that I would look to slay. Like if I see some sort of a bearish outlook on Bitcoin, I would obviously come back to this LRC token and short it. So, yep, that pretty much sums up the layer 2 tokens that you should keep an eye on for the coming week. If you enjoyed the session, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.